Welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise. I don't know if you can see all those dragonfly swarms. And I got some thunder coming in. Looks like it's pretty much all around us here. See all that. Dragonflies all around. The storm cell coming in from the east actually over there. And that's north of me here. That's all over the place. So anyway, yeah, it's about that time of day, 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock. It's 2-ish now, so you get those sea breezes colliding and oh, giant butterfly. Yeah, very cool. Alrighty. Actually, the southeast right there is where the thunder's coming from. But to the west is really bad, and to the north as well. So, anyway, I'm going to go hightail out of here and get ready for this weather. 73.